What's up guys, and I got my hands on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Galaxy Note 20. This is indeed the beginning of a new era for the Note family. We're going to be discussing everything in this video, but before I begin, I'm launching a mega Galaxy Buds giveaway, so I'm giving away 3 Galaxy Buds Live along with 1 Galaxy Buds Plus. To enter this giveaway, be sure to follow the rules in the description. So starting with the design impression, the first thing I've noticed is unlike last year, this time around there is a world of difference between the two phones when it comes to the look and feel. The Note 20 Ultra rocks a premium glass body. In fact, it's the strongest phone with the Gorilla Glass 7 on both front and back. The design is so much more refined than the Galaxy S20 Ultra. In my opinion, the Note 20 Ultra is rocking the most beautiful, modern camera bump design, if that makes sense. It looks so good in person. I love the rings around the camera, the colored camera bump. My favorite is the silver camera bump on the wide model. It looked really sleek. The bronze color is the special color because it's rocking the matte finish, which is really good. It's something that I wanted for a while. No fingerprints, nothing. It's completely clean, but if you want a glossy look, you have the black and white options. Now the Galaxy Note 20 on the other hand is rocking a plastic back. It's not even a glass-stick back like the Galaxy A series, so it doesn't really give you that glass kind of look. It is a plastic back with a matte finish. As far as the feel in hand is concerned, the Note 20 doesn't really feel all that flagshipy to me. I got my hands on this black color and I'm pretty sure it's gonna look much better in other color options, especially the green one, which is the highlight color exclusive to the Note 20 lineup. I'm gonna dive down deep why Samsung took this decision in my other video, but both phones are coming with IP68 rating. We've got wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. When it comes to the front design, the Note 20 Ultra is having Samsung's best display. It's rocking the adaptive 120Hz technology, aka LTPO display with Quad HD resolution. It is 6.9 inch size. It's crazy that Samsung managed to shrink the punch hole even more and also shrink the bezels. This phone is more bezel-less than any Samsung smartphone out there right now. It's also a tiny bit bigger than the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now at the moment, the 120Hz mode is still locked at Full HD Plus resolution, just like the Galaxy S20 Ultra. If you switch to Quad HD, then you have to switch to 60Hz. The 120Hz option in the Note 20 Ultra is mentioned as adaptive mode, so this means that it can drop to 1 Hz when you're not using the phone in order to conserve more battery. So you could say that this is the most efficient 120Hz panel on a flagship phone. Whether Samsung can enable Quad HD option later on, that's something we have to wait and see. The Note 20 on the other hand is coming with a 6.7 inch Full HD Plus 60Hz display. According to Samsung, this display is the best 1080p panel that they have ever made. I wish it had 120Hz, but yeah, that is not happening on this phone. It's rocking 60Hz refresh rate, but it is flat, and by that I mean completely flat. If you're someone who prefers that, I think this is the only phone that is rocking a flat display. We didn't even see that on the Galaxy S20 family, so thanks to its flat display, it does feel a bit more comfortable in hand compared to the premium Edge display of the Ultra. Now under the hood, we have the Snapdragon 865 Plus in some of the markets such as US, Canada, Korea, and China. In the international variants, we have the Exynos 990 processor. It is confirmed that Samsung is using a brand new vapor cooling system on the Exynos 990 model, so that could promise the peak Exynos 990 performance without any throttling issue. I'll definitely do my testing in the coming days, so make sure you click the subscribe button for that. What really surprised me is that the Note 20 Ultra that I was testing out had 8 gigs of RAM with 256 gigabyte of storage. That is actually great because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be targeted towards some of the markets where Samsung will not be launching the 5G version, which will ultimately come to the US, probably gonna cost around $1,300. But for other markets, pricing can vary. Once everything is confirmed, I will drop a pinned comment down below. Now we have the One UI 2.5 on board. It is mostly the same as the previous One UI 2.1 as far as the visual look is concerned. It's still colorful, packed with full of customization, but there are some new amazing features related to software that Samsung has added. So first up is the wireless DeX capability. This will allow you to connect your phone over the air to any smart TV, no cables whatsoever. Definitely looking forward to try this out. There's also a UWB fast transfer technology only with the Note 20 Ultra Ultra model, so you should be able to transfer files seamlessly without any problem. This is the same tech that Apple utilizes for AirDrop, so you really get a reliable sharing option with the Note 20 Ultra only. There's also a brand new Pro video mode in the camera section that allows you to switch between different microphones, change the aperture and ISO, all that Pro tools. One of the best things that I want to try out on the Note 20 family. Now, as always with the Note devices, we get S Pen, and every year it's getting more and more improved. This time around with the Note 20 Ultra, you get a 9 millisecond delay, which means that it almost feels like writing on a paper. I tried it out and I absolutely loved it. As for the normal Note 20, the S Pen is still having that old 25 millisecond delay, so it's going to be similar to the older devices. So this is another feature that is exclusive on the Note 20 Ultra. Now, when it comes to the cameras, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is rocking a 108 megapixel sensor with a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 50x periscope zoom lens. The 100x zoom is indeed dead. There is no marketing on the back. I will be doing my camera test soon, but the first thing I did with this camera is to test out the autofocus speed, which was an issue that we have seen on the S20 Ultra, and to my delight, this was blazingly fast. Like noticeably faster than my S20 Ultra. Really quick, razor sharp. Definitely Samsung has done a great job thanks to the additional sensor that they've added on the back. The 50x zoom looked pretty smooth, had a bit of a detail going on. Definitely I'll love to test it out fully in my camera test. Obviously the best results will come on 10x and 20x levels. As always, the camera UI has made it really easy to switch between these modes without any issue. The Note 20 on the other hand is coming with a camera setup that is similar to the Galaxy S20, so you get a 12 megapixel main camera sensor, 64 MP telephoto lens with 30x zoom, and 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. Now both phones can shoot 8K videos. You can shoot it in 21:9 or 16:9, whatever you like. You also get 4K 60 FPS, 1080p 120Hz option, all that good stuff. On the front you have a 10 megapixel selfie camera that can record 4K videos up to 60 frames per second. As for the battery, Samsung has placed a 4500 mAh cell on the Note 20 Ultra and a 4300 mAh cell on the Note 20. Not a huge difference between the battery, but I have to say the normal Note 20 is looking like a beast battery wise, because again it's a 1080p display, 60 Hz. I don't think it's gonna take a lot of the juice. The Note 20 Ultra on the other hand is rocking a 120Hz display, but it is coming with a adaptive refresh rate technology, so I believe it could bring the efficiency. As always, I will be doing my battery drain test soon. So all in all, in my first impressions, I have to say I am really impressed by the Note 20 Ultra design. I'm really looking forward to test out the processor as well, how that vapor cooling will go. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the Note 20 Ultra and the standard Galaxy Note 20? Be sure to subscribe for all the Note 20 coverage that is coming your way. Don't forget to join the giveaway. All the rules are in the description. As always, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.